I need some hot stuff. Oh no, we're out again? Gotta be shitting me. Chili fresh. I need you, Mo.
What like wait, who got chili fresh?
Oh,
Did you
shit.
got chili fresh?
What's that, you real?
Of course, man, of course, man.
Yo.
I'm real chili and fresh.
So,
What do you need, chili? What do you need?
I need some pica, Mo. I
You need some pica? You need some Mexican salsa. Yeah.
You already know.
I don't know what I can help you with. I just finished dealing a lot of chilies, you know.
Good, Mo.
You're gonna have to hit me up another time. Like, I don't know, I don't got no chili, I got nothing, I got no assholes, no nothing.
So get out of here, you ain't shit, nigga.
Chili fresh.